The 2016 Acura TLX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.